This story, described in the third chapter of the Mahabharat's Vana Parva, belongs to the time when the Pandavas had just begun their forest exile. When the Pandavas were departing toward the forest, some ascetic Brahmins also decided to go to the forest along with them. Dharmaraja Yudhishthir, on one hand, felt joyous to have the company of those Brahmins, but on the other hand, a deep concern arose in his mind. How shall I manage food for these ascetic Brahmins? The Brahmins consoled Yudhishthir and said, O king, you need not worry about us. We will be content with the fruits and roots of the forest. But the devout Yudhishthir was not satisfied with this answer. Motivated by the feeling, it is my duty to serve guests, Yudhishthir consulted with his brothers and the family Purohit, Acharya Dhaumya. Then Acharya Dhaumya consoled Yudhishthir, saying, O king, do not worry. There is a solution to this problem. Since food on earth is produced by the light of the sun, the Lord of food is the sun himself. You should chant his 108 sacred names and worship him with devotion. According to the instructions of sage Dhaumya, Yudhishthir began worshipping the sun god by observing a strict vow. With proper rituals and the chanting of the 108 names, he engaged in continuous penance. Eventually, the sun god appeared. Yudhishthir respectfully bowed down to him. Then, pleased, the sun god said,
Ahamannam pradashyami sapta panchasati samaha.
Meaning, I shall grant you food for 12 years. At that moment, the sun god gave Yudhishthir a wondrous copper vessel, the Akshay Patra, inexhaustible vessel. The specialty of this vessel was such that even a small amount of food prepared by Draupadi in that vessel would never be exhausted as long as she kept serving it. Only after Draupadi herself ate at the end would the food come to an end. After receiving this marvelous boon, Yudhishthir was extremely delighted. He bowed at the feet of Acharya Dhaumya and expressed his gratitude. Now that serving the Brahmins and ascetics during the exile had become easier, Yudhishthir's heart felt lighter. Each day, Draupadi would prepare food in that Akshay Patra. Then Yudhishthir would first serve food to the Brahmins, then to his brothers, and then eat himself. Finally, Draupadi would eat. After Draupadi ate, the food would come to an end. Thus, through the grace of the sun god, the Akshay Patra helped the Pandavas to remain steadfast in righteousness, service, and hospitality even during the harsh time of their forest exile. All of this was the fruitful result of Yudhishthir's faith, devotion, and penance. Thank you.